Very sadly.
Mr. Death take you out when you least expect it. So live life while you're still alive. Today.
Hey, whoa. Jeremiah, where are you? Did Jeremiah really disappear? Oh my God. Jeremiah, come back here, yo. Let me deal with you, Jeremiah. Jeremiah, I want to finish you for my sister. Hey, whoa. Jeremiah, okay. I'm taking this all, so when you come and see me. I'll take this away from you.
I'm going to deal with Destiny, and I'm going to deal with Jessica. They come and fight me over my own land, and talking about I'm not a Nigerian. No, I'm not a Nigerian. Me come from Jamaica. I'm going to throw them. What I'm going to throw them how Jamaican man go to work. How they take things for? Eh?
Very sadly.
Mr. Death take you out when you least expect it. So live life while you're still alive. Today you up and tomorrow you down. Please tell me why we still fuss and fight. Mr. Death take you out when you least expect it. So live life while you're still alive. Today you up and tomorrow you down. Please tell me why we still fuss and fight.
All fools and dog and live better than we. Your own friend, we take your life just for your man. Listen me, I stay to myself because enough don't like me. Them can't take me out because the most I beside me. I now follow bad bro no because me want live tired to see my friend them a freezer. I'm a go chill, me want be richer than Matalan and Legion. Cause Papa want broth before death reach him.
Mr. Death take you out when you leave.